Hey guys, my name is Dean. Welcome to MFY Yoga. In this video, I show you a quick yoga routine to relieve stress from a busy job. This video is dedicated to my friend Zack, a member of the MFY Yoga Launch Group. Zack is currently working 12, 14, 16-hour days at a startup company that he is helping to manage. And as a result, he has little time for fitness, but he has lots of stress. So Zack, this is for you and for anybody else who's working lots of hours, doesn't have the time to work out, but wants to be able to take care of themselves, wants to have a few minutes to manage their stress and make sure that they're keeping their bodies healthy. So what I'm going to focus on in this video is doing poses and stretches that help to activate your body's parasympathetic nervous system. So we're going to work on poses that stimulate your rest and digest system. So lowering your heart rate, slowing down your breathing, releasing tension, making sure that your body shifts from, oh my God, I'm going to die, to, okay, everything's going to be all right. So here we go. By the way, you need no equipment for this. We're going to start off in a child's pose. Bring your knees wide, bring your big toes to touch, lengthen the area from your pubic bone to your sternum, and then walk your hands forward, keeping your hips close to your feet, and release your forehead onto the ground. Keep your arms somewhat engaged. You don't need to squeeze your arms like you're about to lift, like you're about to deadlift something, but keep your arms somewhat engaged. And now I want you to focus on slowing down your breathing. So in through the nose, big exhale through the mouth. 2 more of those. And out through the mouth. 1 more. And out through the mouth. Try to keep up that slow breathing. And as you exhale, focus on releasing tension from your shoulders. So stretching your chest, relaxing your neck, relaxing your shoulders. Trying to keep your body still. Letting your forehead just kind of melt into the mat or melt into the ground. Just slowing everything down, focusing on your breath and focusing on what that slow breath does to your body. All right, next pose, I just want you to slide your right hand through your left hand and your left shoulder. Bring your right shoulder to rest on the ground. Look over to the left and relax the right side of your head on the ground. Lightly pull your right shoulder back toward the right. Keep your left arm exactly where it is. Keep your eyes closed and breathe. Still in and out of the nose. So in that last stretch, we were focusing on your mid-back. Maybe focus on stretching your lower back, maybe the upper back and the shoulders as well. This stretch, we are focusing on the back outside of your shoulder. So we're working on kind of between the shoulder blade and the top of the back. Just breathing in and out of the nose. Try to maintain some space between your head and your neck here. So if you feel like you're squeezing your shoulder toward your neck, right, bring that shoulder down away from the ear. Just breathing in and out of the nose, keeping your hips back. Every exhale, releasing a little bit more tension. Long breaths. That's the really important part here, making sure your breathing is nice and long and relaxed. And then we're going to switch sides, going to needle thread or thread the needle on the other side. So left hand slides through the right knee and the right hand now. Relax the outside of your left shoulder on the ground. Relax the left side of your head on the ground And then lightly pull your left shoulder back toward the left. Try to keep your hips relaxed toward your feet. And breathe in and out of the nose or the mouth, if that helps. Every now and then it helps to take a big exhale through the mouth. But try to, for the most part, focus on breathing in and out of the nose. So again, feeling the stretch through the outer back of the shoulder. Maybe releasing some tension in the neck as well, getting a nice twist through the neck because you probably don't spend a lot of time twisting. You're mostly looking straight forward at a computer screen. Every exhale releasing a little bit more tension. One more breath here. All right. And then I'm going to have you get all the way down onto your chest, flat on your chest, and bring your left arm straight out to the side. And then turn your left palm so that it's making a 90-degree angle with your elbow. So kind of like we're making a stop sign with your hands. And then move your body away from your left elbow. So kind of moving your whole torso 2 or 3 inches to the right. And then just roll onto the left side of your body, lightly push down through your right hand, and allow your left shoulder to relax toward the ground. You can also release the left side of your head to the ground as you're doing this. And this is just going to be a nice chest stretch. But remember, we want to keep your body relaxed, so allow your head to release onto the ground. Don't hold it up. Don't create extra tension here. And if you want to get a little bit of a hip stretch, you can also kind of bring your right heel toward your left elbow across your body. If that feels good, you can do it. If that just creates more stress, just avoid it. And then go ahead and switch sides. So coming back to the middle of the mat, now bring your right arm straight out to the side. Bring your palm just above the elbow. Plant it so your arm is 90 degrees, elbow level with the shoulder. Move your body over to the left an inch or two, and then roll onto your right side. Push down lightly through your left hand. Relax the right side of your head on the ground. Maybe bringing that left foot toward your right elbow, coming across the body, kind of like a scorpion stretch. And then breathing in and out of the nose. Again, focusing on that slow, controlled breathing. And that's what's really going to help with releasing the tension, slowing down your heart rate, and keeping you healthy through this stressful time. One more breath here. All right, come back to the middle. And from here, you go up into a lunge, actually into a lizard stretch from here. So I'm going to have you crawl your right foot up and do a nice deep lunge. Bring your hands inside your right foot. Now, if this is difficult and you feel like your back is way up in the air and you can't flatten your back here, use a block or some other sort of device. It could just be, the corner of a table or a couch or whatever it is. But we want to get your hands up so that you can rest your hands on something and make your back flat. That's the goal here. I want you to keep your back flat and avoid rounding too much. And as you exhale, you're going to sink deeper into your hips. So just allowing your hips to relax forward and down as you hold this. Try not to be too engaged with your right leg. I know in some other videos I'm going to tell you to push down really firmly through the right leg or that front leg. Don't do that here. Our goal is to release tension, not to create more tension. If you want to use a wall to stabilize yourself, if that feels good, or if you just want to rest your hands on top of your right thigh, you can also do that. I encourage you to keep your neck neutral and your eyes closed. So looking straight forward with your chin pulling toward your throat and your eyes closed. But if it feels better to kind of relax your head forward and let your chin release toward your chest, you're welcome to do that as well. And you can hold this one for a minimum of 30 seconds, and you can go all the way up to 90 seconds with this stretch. All right, and then we're going to switch sides. So go ahead and bring the left foot forward now. Bring your right leg back. Knee is over the ankle and your left foot. We're relaxing our hips forward and down. So as you inhale, you're maintaining your position, maybe filling up your lungs. And as you exhale, sinking forward. You're going to feel a nice stretch through the front of the right hip here. And because of that, you should feel maybe a little bit of a release in your back as well. And again, as I said before, you can keep your neck neutral, right? So you can keep your chin pulling in toward your throat, the top of the head pressing toward the ceiling, eyes gazing straight forward. That's an option. Or if you want, you can kind of tuck the chest, or tuck the chin toward the chest and kind of release forward. And maybe that way you can get a stretch to the back of your neck. I don't recommend doing this way if you spend a lot of your time on a cell phone or you're looking down a lot. So if you spend a lot of time on the phone, try to bring your head into the opposite position, right? We're getting into the neutral position with your neck, or maybe even a little bit of a back bend. And then just closing your eyes is going to help you focus on your breathing and focus on your body. And that's going to help you relax. Take a couple more breaths. Making sure there's no tension in your arms as well. And then go ahead and release. All right, if you want to do one more stretch here to kind of wind things down, return to that child's pose that you did at the beginning. And then this time, relax your arms all the way so that your forearms are on the ground, your elbows are on the ground. Relax your forehead down, and do your best to flatten your back without too much effort from your core. So just try to get your body into that right position, right, with your back flat, your hips back toward your heels, but don't push it too hard. We do want to relax while we're in this position. Just take about a minute here to breathe. Focusing on your breathing, focusing on inhaling and filling up your lungs, and then exhaling and squeezing all the air out, and noticing what that does to your body. Every exhale, releasing a little bit more tension. Letting your body get longer. Noticing if you're holding on to any tension in your shoulders, on your neck. And letting that go as you exhale. All right, and feel free to stay there for as long as you'd like, as long as you've got a nice stretch and you feel relaxed. And when you're ready, go ahead and come out of that. And just throughout the day, try to come back to that space. Whenever you have a minute, whenever you have a little bit of free time, come back to your breath. Focus on that deep breathing. Relaxing your shoulders, releasing that tension as you exhale, and just being aware of your breathing and being aware of your body. And the more you do that, the less stress you are going to have. All right, guys, so thanks for watching this video. Again, this video was made for Zach, a member of the Man-Full Yoga Launch Group. And we're making this because we have a new Man-Full Yoga DVD coming out on Amazon. Saturday, April 11th, Yoga Strong goes live on DVD. And this program was released on manfulyoga.com as Yoga Body over a year ago. So I'm super excited that it is now ready for DVD. This is our intermediate, slow burn power yoga workout DVD. So this is a really fun, very effective workout program. You're going to be doing a lot of slow, controlled movement to build muscle, to burn fat, and to build a solid foundation of mobility, core strength, and balance that will apply to everything that you do fitness-wise. So you can save up to 40% on this DVD. If you buy it early. So if you're watching this, go buy it now. Learn more at manflowyoga.com/yoga-strong. If you're not already subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe. We put tons of content like this out on a very regular basis. We're uploading 3 to 4 videos a week now. So tons of content, tons of workouts, tutorials, and tips to help you get stronger with yoga, and also to live a healthier lifestyle so that you can avoid getting sick, you can stay happy, you can stay healthy, and live longer. So thanks for watching this video. Make sure you comment, like, share if you found it useful, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.